everyone, I have a new album share and tutorial for you today. This is an album in a box that I created using the Petticoats and Pinstripes collection from Echo Park. I already cut into most of it, and the cover has 4x4 cut aparts on the back, so I cut that apart. But you will see that in the tutorial. You'll see the collection before I cut it apart. So the album in the box measures 8 by 7. It's a really good size for photos. I always try to make sure that in any album that I make that I can add 4 by 6 photos in there, whether it be horizontal or vertical. So let's get into it. So this is the cover. I used an older saturated canary image for the cover here, the little girl. Her name is Bowie, if you want to look it up. These are all from the collection. These are actually, I cut out of a sheet of paper from the collection. The rest of these papers these are stickers that I backed onto some cardstock. These little scalloped parts here are as well, I cut out of a paper from the collection. These doilies back here are a die from La La Land Crafts. And then it's all very dimensional. The cover, I popped it up quite a bit. The sides, I just kept really simple. I added one of the 4x4 cut aparts on the spine here, just to add some interest there. So let's open it up, put it all the way over here. So it opens up like this. Really cute. The spine is 3.5 inches, so it has a lot of room in it for all kinds of embellishments and photos. So here is a pocket I created just with one of the cut aparts, and I just tape down the sides of it all the way around the side here. And then there's a few of the cut aparts from the collection in here. Really super pretty cut aparts there is. This is an acetate pocket, and I show you how to create this in the tutorial. And I just put one of the cut aparts in there. And it just slides back into there. This is one of the stickers that I backed onto some cardstock. This is just a simple page with some white photo mats. The matting throughout is 1/4 inch smaller than whatever the sheet, like whatever the surface you're working on is. For instance, this is 6.5 by 3.5. So the mat is 3.25 by 6.25. This is a sticker from the collection. This is magnetized. This is magnetized as well, the closure. So these are just some of the pretty patterns. Again, just a photo mat. And I do, in the book, the hinges are the waterfall hinge, so that they lay really nice and flat when you're going through the book, even if you do have bulky embellishments. And I'll show you how to do that in the tutorial as well. So here I've done a twine closure, and it just opens up like this, and then I just have a couple of cut aparts in here. But you could add some photo mats or whatever you like in there, and it just closes back up. And then this is a pocket here, and it does have a magnet, but I also just put this little one of the sticker sheets here that I backed on cardstock, just as an extra little closure there. All right, and then that's the end of the pages, and this is the back section of the book. So this here is a 4x4 waterfall right there, and then it closes with a magnet. This is a sticker from the collection as well, And then it folds open like this, and there's some photo mats here, photo mats there. These are 4x6, 4¼ by 6¼ photo mats. And then it folds open again. And here there is a 4x6 waterfall. So this is one of the cut aparts from the collection. And then there are 5 waterfalls there, and again it closes with a magnet. This is also a sticker from the collection. So then this flips down. I'm hoping I can get getting everything into frame here. It's just quite a large back section here. I'll just move this over a bit. So here there's just 2 little stacked pockets with 2 little journaling tags in there on this one, and then again a 4¼ by 6¼ photo mat, and then this flips up again, and it's the same thing here, a stacked pocket with some little journaling tags there. So this is mirror image to the other one, and then there's a big nice pocket back here again with the ribbon or the twine closure with the brad, and there's a nice big pocket in here for you to fit quite a bit. It's a 3/8 of an inch depth, the pocket. And then it just closes right back up just like this. And then you just start folding in again, just like so. And then it does have a magnetic closure back here as well. So tons of room for photos. Really nice book for memory keeping. The link to the tutorial will be down below, and I hope you enjoy it. I really enjoyed creating it for you. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.